U.S. Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth has said that the U.S. stands in solidarity with India and fully supports India's right to defend itself. Multiple air traffic routes are unavailable north and south of Pakistan, and additional NOTAMs for naval exercises in the Arabian Sea. The Indian Air Force has vastly increased the number of operational readiness platforms at its air bases, and surface-to-air missile batteries have been placed on full alert. US has approved the sale of Hawkeye 360's SeaVision maritime domain awareness software to India worth $131 million. That will give the ability to detect and track even the dark ships that are not reporting their location. Hughes Precision has achieved a historic milestone by developing India's first indigenous 7.62x51 NATO standard sniper ammunition for the Indian Army. After being grounded for several months, Indian Air Force and Indian Army's Dhruv helicopters have been cleared for operations in a time-bound plan. Indian Navy's INS Surat guided missile destroyer has reached Surat for the first time. Delhi-based Vecros Tech has developed an indigenous flight computer named JetCore for autonomous drones. UAE-based Caracal is fast-tracking the local production of 9mm, 5.56mm, 7.62mm and 12.7mm ammunitions in India. Azad Engineering has opened an exclusive facility for General Electric Vernova in Hyderabad. India will participate in the exercise Talisman Sabre 2025 multinational exercise in Australia from 13 July. The captive trials of the 350 km range Astra Mark III, also known as the Gandiva Next Generation Air-to-Air Missile, are in progress, and DRDO officials have confirmed that the project is on track for completion by the end of 2025. That will be followed by user trials that is expected to span 3 years, paving the way for the induction of this 4.5 Mach capable missile by end of 2028. The DRDO has already developed a common ejection launcher for the Astra Mark II and Astra Mark III, and the DRDO is exploring 2 variants of the Gandiva missile. That includes a standard ramjet model with an ESA seeker, and a booster-enhanced version for targeting force multipliers like refueling aircraft and AWACS. India has successfully completed the firing trials of a crewless 30mm turret designed for the futuristic infantry combat vehicle at a military range in India, that engaged both static and moving targets under simulated combat conditions. The 30mm cannon demonstrated accuracy and reliability, while the ATGM launcher successfully hit targets at extended ranges, validating the turret's multi-role capabilities. JSR Dynamics Private Limited has secured an Indian Navy contract to develop a cutting-edge long-range powered precision guidance munition. It has a maximum speed of 1000 km per hour, and a maximum range of 290 km and endurance of 45 minutes, making it an ideal choice for neutralizing enemy naval assets or coastal installations, providing the Indian Navy with a strategic edge in maritime operations. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.